Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is G. Sudhit Raja. I am studying in grade 4. I am going to tell about weight. Weight means measure solid object. Example: 1 kg potatoes, 2 kg onion. Non-standard measures: seed and soul. Standard measures: gram, milligram, kilogram. Milligram we can write mg. Gram we can write L. G. Kilogram we can write kg. Units of weight: 1 gram 1000 milligram, 1 kg 1000 gram. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.